So here's this app, Surveys on the Go. Is it legit? Like, can you use it safely? Like this app, like it still is in the top charts of the lifestyle category, all the categories in the US App Store. Um, if you were looking for an app to make money, if it's a jackpot, so that's in their description. But I don't know exactly like how, like. So I would really advise you to be quite careful with this kind of apps because some of them can be scammy and then over promise things usually. So they tell you that you can earn like thousands of dollars, but in fact like it's super hard to earn like $10, and a small percentage of users actually do that. So, but anyways, when you're bored at home or job and you have the chance to earn some free easy money, download the Survey app to earn your first dollar instantly. Make cash by taking surveys. We pay you real cash, not points. It's fast, easy, and most surveys will pay $5, with some surveys paying $10 if you qualify. So you just need to download the app, create an account. It's super easy to do. Fully enable notifications and enable location services at all times. And you can start redeeming rewards as soon as you reach $10. But like majority of surveys can earn from $1 to $5. So that's basically what it's about. So here is the app. You can see the surveys tab. Unfortunately, I see that there is like currently no surveys. Making sure notifications are on will ensure you're immediately alerted about new surveys. So yeah, I don't know why is that. You can see all the notifications and support here in the top right chart. Then there is a profile. And then there is email first, like here you can enable location services, you can enable digital surveys. If you want, you can enable Touch ID. And then basically here is your current balance. As soon as you hit $10, you can redeem it to Amazon, Visa, Starbucks, PayPal. There is payout history, transaction history, all of that. But for some reason I still don't have any surveys here. I don't know why is that. I'm located in Europe, so I don't know why is that. So yeah, but this is the app. You can also refer friends, so you can just share via text or Facebook. But again, I don't really recommend you to take this app like super seriously at this moment. I have no 100% information that this is completely safe app. There are a bunch of apps which try to skyrocket in the app store for a few days and then they just go down. So maybe this app is just using this for that. So yeah, if you have any other insights about this app, just leave it in the comments below.